Okay.
Barbecued pork with air fried wedges.
Sarap yun guys, oh. Yummy crispy pork with a barbecue sauce. Sarap-sarap yun guys. Tara. Kain-kain tayo. And lots of barbecue sauce. And look at the wedges. Crispy. And of course, with white wine. Chardonnay. From Chile. Tara. Kain tayo. Kain-kain. Ayan na siya guys. Ito na ang aking plato. Tara po. Kain-kain tayo. Yum.